Okay, we're at the Asheville Botanical Gardens. We're going to walk around here a little bit. Seems like they got some of the trails kind of roped off, so not sure how far I can really go. I mentioned in one of my previous videos I would come back out here when the weather got nicer. You know, obviously it's February, but it's a nice day for February. It's going to get into the mid-60s today, just for one day, so I thought I'd come out here and check it out. And it looks like there's a lot of construction going on. So they're working to improve the trails, maybe. I think we'll go this way. This is supposed to be like a half-mile loop. Down here, I believe that's called Reed's Creek or Reed Creek. And this is a popular hiking path for the area. So here, there's a creek. You could walk down those steps if you want to and go out on those rocks. Nice little place for kids to play when the weather's a little nicer. In the summertime usually. Go out there and splash in the water. And of course, also in the summertime, you'll have a lot more blooming foliage out here than you do right now. So even though it's kind of a nice day, it is still wintertime in Asheville. It looks like they put down some new rocks here. The last time I filmed a video out here, I don't remember these rocks being here, so I think this is new on the trail. I think they're kind of prepping it for the springtime and summertime when there'll be a lot more people out here. And there's benches to sit, relax if you get tired, which I do sometimes on my walks. I'm not sure how far I can go this way because last time I went the other way around. This is a cabin. Let me see. I think I might go that way once we take a look at this cabin. It's very muddy here though. Let you read that. Herbert Hayes, author, playwright, actor, folklorist. Okay. Some people putting graffiti on here. That's sad to see. Let me go back this way, I think. Not sure where that's going to lead me. Hoping I won't get turned around too bad. One thing I'm doing a little bit different on this video than I did in a previous one when I walked here. So, I guess maybe a year or so ago. I'm using my wide angle lens. They have this stuff around too, in case you're curious what you're looking at. Those are scattered throughout. And also, little signs like that you gotta kind of look for. But I'm hoping the wide angle lens gives you a better point of view out here than what my previous video did. And yes, you'll run into a sign every once in a while that lets you know that bears are known to be in this area. I'm hoping they're hibernating now. But it's a nice day, you never know, they might come out. Well, these are kind of the older rocks. Guess they haven't done those yet. So let me mention, before I forget, if you enjoy these kind of walks around the Asheville area in western North Carolina and a few other places, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit a like on this video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, or so I've been told. And subscribing is absolutely free. Doesn't cost you a thing. That's always nice. Okay, there's a bridge we came over down there. Maybe you can see it. Well, not with that tree in the way. There's that bridge where we came over. There's a little squirrel. Squirrel! It's the bridge where we came over. So we'll see if we can make our way back there following this route if you're from Canada. should have set my watch. This is a fairly easy walk if you just want to get out in the nature and walk and not just walk around your neighborhood. This is real close to UNC Asheville. It's off of W.T. Weaver Street, I believe. You can Google it and see. There's a little, I don't think we're going to stop in there today, but there's a small gift shop that opens at 10 most days. Okay, we can go this way. A lot of times I go that direction, but they got that sealed off. I guess working on the road or the bridge, one of the two. The level of difficulty of this walking this trail, I would say it's probably rated easy to moderate. Probably skewing on the easy side because it's relatively flat. There's a few rises, a few places, but you know, sometimes people, what they like to do while they're watching my videos and me walking around like a fool, showing them things that I like in the Asheville area, they like to get on their exercise bike at home or their treadmill and get their exercise in with me. So if that's something you like to do, I invite you to put on this video or any of my other videos from my channel and get your exercise in while I'm walking around various things to see and attractions in the Asheville area and Western North Carolina. So this one's a kind of short one. We're only at like 13 minutes. Now we'll come back here again in the spring or summer so we can do a more leisurely stroll and see a lot more of the plants when they come up. But you can see it's a nice day. Really nice day here. Blue sky. And we got one more bridge to cross. And we'll head back to the parking lot. So again, coming out here, it's free. If you want to do walking, you want to go in there and buy something from the gift shop, which is right there in front of us. Right when you pull into the parking lot, you'll see the gift shop. And that opens at 10 most days, according to what I saw online. But the walking trails you can do anytime you want from sun up to sundown. And then they close that off. And that right there is your gift shop. And other things. Oh. There you go. Botanical Gardens in Asheville. Sorry, they don't want dogs there. And this is kind of, here's where we are. We went all the way, remember the cabin, and we came back around here and back over That's the little creek. I mean the, yeah, Glen Creek, I guess is what that's called. So we passed over that bridge and that bridge, so we went this way to the cabin, came back this way instead of going around that way to the Sunshine Meadow. We came back this way, so it's not real far. It's a pretty easy walk, but I encourage you to come and check it out. Alright, thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. See you next time.